got this new Apple wristband. So this is the old Pride band. It was released in 2020 for the Pride month, in May 2020, I believe. So this is the box. It says Pride band, Pride edition sport band, sport loop spook. Okay, that I just seen anyway. So 40 millimeters, and on the back it says the UPC, the serial number. Then it says Apple is proud to financially support LGBTQ advocacy organizations working to bring about positive change. Let's unbox it. Like I said, it has this wonderful smell. Apple Watch. And here you get your documentation and yeah. Ooh, that Series 5 thingy. In the wonderful color. My God, it's so pretty. Okay. Now shut up. I'm a small band. Oh come on, that thing came off. Oh man. Cute. So I have the Apple Watch Series 7 with watchOS 10. Sorry. Yay, I'm so excited. I'm putting the wristband too. Because I can. Let's do it on my iPhone. Okay, I'm going to cut it so I can put it on. Okay. My camera died, so let's do this again. Let's put in the watch face. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, so this is the new watch face with watchOS 10. Jesus Christ. So the two options. One is the whole screen basically, or this one. So I'm gonna put this on my watch. So it looks like this. It's so pretty. Okay, let's put it on. So with my Apple Watch so tight that it's making a mark in my hand. So when you put it on, you look so much better. Let's put in my passcode anyways. Yeah. See how nice it is. With the all on display. Everything is so well. It's nice when you wake it up. Oh. What the heck? Oh yeah. I need to tap on it now, I think. Have one hand to do this, so deal with it, I guess. Yeah, I can't do this somehow. Jesus Christ. Yeah, if you move it, yeah, it tap on it then, yeah. Nice consistency. Wonderful bands. I like Apple a lot. With my iPhone, it matches so well with my stuff. Watch faces, everything. I might put a watch face, a pride one, in the meantime. You know, so it can match. Oh yeah, that's just perfect. I like this one. This is so cute. Wait. That's cute. Oh, my bad. Oh. So I'm gonna end this video here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and have a good day.